Hello and welcome to Digital Hype by Sonam. And today we'll talk about the lead magnets that you guys must have heard about. But before I start this video, can I please have your contact details like your email address and your phone numbers? No, right? Exactly. This is what I expected. And this is mostly happens when you ask someone to share their contact details with you who doesn't know you. Okay, and that's the biggest challenge that we face in online marketing also when it comes to lead generation. So, and we all know people are picky, they are selective, they don't want their inboxes and emails to get flooded with the messages, obviously. So, what we can do for this, to overcome this problem, and how can we have a good conversation with our audiences, and then we nurture them, educate them, and then we finally convince them to become our customers. So, we can do this in a way that we can give them something really valuable in exchange of the contact details. Okay, so that they may get convinced to share their contact details with us, and that something special is known as the lead magnets. Okay, and that lead magnet, trust me, it is the backbone of all lead generation campaigns, all marketing, online marketing. And if you're a business owner, you must have a good lead magnet offer, because that's the tool by which you will generate more and more leads, and from your leads you will generate more and more potential customers. So lead generation is a lead magnet. Creating a good lead magnet, that's a very crucial thing that you must know about. Okay, so a lead magnet could be in any form. It could be a text, an image, a video, and an audio. So it could be an ebook, a software, like it could be in any form depending upon your business. Okay, and also the quality of leads that we generated and the quantity of leads that we generated all depends upon the lead magnet. Okay, we all know this. It's very crucial, it's very important. And the criteria that you need to follow before writing a good lead magnet offer is that you need to understand your audience very thoroughly, very deeply. You need to understand that what your audience are wishes, what are their aspiration, what are their needs. Okay, and the solutions, or the solution for which they are looking for online. You need to know about this, because that's how you create a lead magnet that must meet their needs and also fulfill their wishes and aspirations that they are looking for already online. So that's the first thing, that your lead magnet must act like the first aid for their problems or whatever their wishes or their needs. It must act like that. Okay, and also the second thing, if it is free, even if your lead magnet is free, it must be very, very, very valuable, because your audience became your lead. Maybe they become your lead because your lead magnet was free, and then your leads will become your customer when they see that your lead magnet offer is having a value. Okay, it is valuable, and in their next purchases also they will consider you only. So that's how we uh, that's how we get the good potential customers for us. So, and some of the examples of lead magnets are the trials that we get before buying a software online, the 30-day trials or 20-day trials that we get, and the tutorials videos that we get. Just for example, if you want to buy something related to yoga, okay, and there you get a 10-day or a week free yoga videos or trials. So that's also a lead magnet. And the trials that you get, and the free samples that we get before buying a product. Okay, and and webinars is also a great example of lead magnet. Webinars and some e-courses that we get, the courses that we get online, that's also a lead magnet example. And so on. There are so many ways other also. You can browse on Google also about these examples, more examples. And so that's how we give their contact details to someone, right? And then and then we collect the good leads by this lead magnet. And we does remarketing, we educate them, we nurture our leads, and then we finally convert our leads into potential customers also, or the potential buyers. So that's how the lead magnet works, and it is very, very crucial. And just let me know what are the lead magnets you guys are offering for your own business, or just And if this video was helpful to you, then you can follow me on Instagram, and the description and the username I have provided in the description. So thank you so much. I hope it was helpful, and let's not stop this conversation here. Let's talk about this. And yeah, I'll see you in comments. Thank you so much.